friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video I'm going to share with you this makeup look, and this is very appropriate for school going girls. So on the request of one of my subscribers, I think her name is Jeba Jaskar, and I hope I am pronouncing her name correctly. So she has requested me to do a makeup for school going girls, school going and teenager girls. So I came up with this makeup look, which is very easy, and also it is very affordable, because teenage girls and teenagers, they can't afford so many costly makeup and skincare products. They can buy all these products that I've shared in this video, and they're really very affordable and easily available as well. They are available on stores, online websites, and everywhere. For teenage girls, I don't think makeup is that much important, because their skin is also very good. It is really very sensitive, and they are also very young, so their skin doesn't need so much makeup. And makeup is also very harmful for their skin, because at that time there is so much changes in body. There is hormonal changes and everything. So definitely many girls, they also get lot of acne and pimple, and also there is lot of oil secretion on our face at that time. Also, I have shown in this video how to take care of your skin really well if you are in your teenage days. So I hope this video is really helpful to you all, and if you feel like this video is helpful, then please do subscribe to my channel, and please hit the notification bell next to it, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload my videos. And if you like, then please give it a big thumbs up and share, and comment down below if you have any other video requests like this. I'll definitely do videos for you all. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video and see how I have done this makeup, which is super easy and very less time consuming. So you can literally do this makeup within 2 minutes. 2 to 5 minutes, I think, is the appropriate time within which you can achieve this look. So if you are a school going girl or a teenager, in that case you should definitely follow a good skincare regimen to keep your face really clean. We are going outside in the sun, so there is so much pollution and everything, so our skin tends to become so dirty and oily. So you should always carry a good face wash with you if you are going to a school. So I would suggest you to use Himalaya purifying neem face wash. That is also very good, and I have already tried it. That is a very good face wash for oily, normal to oily skin. And you can also go for this face wash. This is also very affordable. This is Ibs Goodness Sandalwood face wash. So toning is the second step. So after cleansing, we should do toning. So toning is also important, but for school going girls, I don't think toning is that much required, because toning I think is required for girls who are having a lot of open pores, and they help in minimizing the open pores and keeping the pH balance of our skin. But if you need something which will instantly hydrate your face and instantly give a good glow, then you can also go for any toner. Ibs Goodness Licorice Toner. So there are many variants. You can check on purple.com. So there is rose variant, aloe vera. So different type of toners are available. So according to your need and which variant you like, you can take any of these toners. They are really very refreshing, and they give instant hydration to face, and they also provide a glow. So if you want, you can buy, or else you can skip this step. This is not at all mandatory for school going girls. So if you have got a very oily skin, in that case you can obviously skip a moisturizer, and you can go for any gel. So I would suggest this gel. This is Good Vibes Argan Soothing Face Gel. So this is also very affordable. You will get it on purple.com. If you don't want to take this one, you can also go for any aloe vera gel. Patanjali aloe vera gel also you can apply. I will apply this on my face. So this will give me moisturization, and also it will act like a primer. So I need not apply any primer on my face, and primer also I will not recommend for school going girls. So next is a sunscreen. So definitely you need to apply a sunscreen before stepping out, because when you are going outside, there is sun rays, and that UV rays are very bad for our skin. So even if you are skipping all these steps, but definitely don't forget to apply sunscreen. So I recommend these two sunscreens. This is Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Matte SPF 50 Gel. So this is a good sunscreen, and also Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock SPF 50. Mattifying your face is very important during summers, and also teenage skin becomes so much oily. Definitely they need to have a good loose powder or a face compact with them. So I have this compact with me. This is Blue Heaven Matte Effect Compact Powder with sunscreen. So this also has added sunscreen in it, so it gives added sun protection. So this one you can go for, and this is also very affordable. It is only rupees 150, so which is very affordable. And also there are Lakme Radiance compacts, and Biotic compact, Faces compact. They are also very affordable. Maybelline compacts are also very affordable, so you can go for any of them. If on daily basis you want to apply something, you can go for a face powder like Pond's face powder or White Tone face powder, or you can go for a compact. So if you want to apply something for special occasions, like there is some function in your school, or there is some presentation or anything, in that case you can go for a lightweight BB or CC cream, and you can apply a little bit to cover the imperfections. If you are having acne or pimple marks or anything, you can apply them on your face. First is Lakme 925 CC cream, and I am in the shade beige. So this is very affordable. Actually I am having the bigger size tube. So the smaller tube is available at rupees 99 only, which is very affordable, and you can buy that. And this is also available in, I think, some 4 sets. The next CC cream is Lotus Makeup 10-in-1 Daily Cream, and this has SPF 25 in it. So this has SPF 30 and this has SPF 25 in it. So you can go for this one as well. And the next is Pond's White Beauty BB Plus 01 Original is my shade BB cream. So this is also a very good product, and also this is available at within rupees 100. The smaller tube is available for only rupees within rupees 100. So you can definitely go ahead and take any of these, because they give little bit coverage. They are also matte on skin. They will not give that oiliness on skin, and also added sun protection they will give. These creams, they really blend very good with fingers, so you can blend them with your fingers. So you can see it has given me enough coverage. It has also hidden my spots and everything, and my face looks really very natural. It is not cakey and looks very beautiful. So the next step is for applying a compact or loose powder, so that your makeup will be set well and your face will not become oily. So I'll be using this compact from Blue Heaven, and this is my new purchase, and I will also share the haul with you. I have bought some Blue Heaven products because they're very affordable, and also they're of very good quality. So you can see I'm using this puff which came with this. Here there is shine on my face, and here it has immediately mattified my face. So it is a very good mattifying compact. If you are having good fuller looking eyebrows, you need not fill your eyebrows at all. You can leave as they are, and they will look really very good. But if you are having very thin eyebrows, and also if you are having a very less hair on in your eyebrows, then definitely you can fill them up little bit with any brown pencil, eyebrow definer or eyebrow pencil. You can see this is Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. I am in the shade brown. So this is a very affordable eyebrow pencil. So now I'll be combing my eyebrows with this brush that came with this pencil. So it will actually distribute the eyebrow product in your eyebrows, and your eyebrows will look very natural. The next step is a kajal. I will go for a kajal. Kajals are available at very affordable ranges. So Stay Quirky kajal is there, Heliatin kajal, then NY Bay kajal is also there. So these kajals are really very affordable, and you can go for them. I would be using this kajal. This is from Stay Quirky, and this is available within rupees 125. Applying this kajal in my waterline. So if you are going to regular classes and all, you can apply only kajal and you can go. But if there is any function or anything, then you can also apply a thin eyeliner. It will also look good. You can go for any of the liners like Lakme liners, Stay Quirky eyeliners, L18, and also there is NYB eyeliners. They're good. Blue Heaven eyeliners are also good. They're very affordable. You will get within rupees 50. And this eyeliner is also good, and this one you will get within rupees 200. This is also a good eyeliner from Maybelline, so I'm going to use this eyeliner. This is Essence Lash Princess Falsies Mascara, and this is Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. So this is also available in Easy Wash and waterproof variant. You can go for any of these. These are available within rupees 200. This is available within rupees 250. This is also available within rupees 250. You can go for these, or Blue Heaven. I have also heard like Blue Heaven mascaras are also good. You can go for them, but I would not recommend mascara on a daily basis. That is for special occasions, and if there is any function. Or you can go for any of the tinted lip balms like Maybelline Baby Lips. They are also very good, and they give a little bit color on lips, and they look very natural and beautiful. And you can also go for this product. This is Nivea Lip Crayon. This also works like a lip balm actually. It is tinted and it is not actually a lipstick. So friends, this is my completed look. You can see I have just tied my hair. You can tie your hair. You can go for any ponytail. You can tie that up here. It will also look very good. So you can do a high ponytail. It will look good. And if you are having long hair, you can go for braids. If you are going to school, you can go for any earring like this. You can go for pearl earrings like this, small earrings, or any studs. It will look very pretty. You can definitely